Our mission is to draw the unique potential out of every individual, and I think I originally thought that was just going to mean the students, but is wholeheartedly meant for all of us staff members as well.
Inbuilt in all of our systems is this drive to innovate, to challenge, and to really provide the best education we can for everybody in the community.
We model lifelong learning. Teachers are encouraged to engage in whatever professional development opportunities they see best fit for their own development.
Students seeing us model that autonomy and creativity and risk-taking means that they're able to do the same.
And this is the first school where I've ever gotten to teach 8 and 9 and 10 and 11 and 12. So I get to follow students and really get to know them as learners and help them progress as thinkers and writers.
We are about delivering skills that can be applied from one subject to another area to life.
It's reignited sort of my passion for education, just because the IB system is very different from the GCSE and the A-level system.
Instead of just kind of writing down what we want to do, we're actually living and breathing our pedagogy.
I truly love the community.
We've really embraced international mindedness.
There's a real openness to hearing about new perspectives and viewpoints.
Students feel safe, they feel that they are treated like adults, and they just feel like human beings.
The Halcyon Experience in 3 words from me has been
Exciting, unexpected, and fulfilling.
Creativity and open-mindedness.
Very nurturing.
Autonomous and diverse.
Innovative,
Digital.
inspirational, and professional.
I'm surrounded by extraordinary people doing amazing things, and it does feel like magic, and it's a beautiful thing to watch.